Hi guys, I'm Dominic from PDR Canada, and I'm about to show this fine crew a little tip and trick while working on a hood stand. So guys, you know we use S-hooks and stuff for leverage and these suction cup doodads, but most hood stands have these L-shaped bars, and when you're really cranking through a hood and there's lots of damage on it or it's big damage, we've done this lots, and you're not moving. You can fix everywhere on this hood in the open with this bar here. It's simple, but it's something that I think could really help you guys, you know? So when you're setting up these hood stands, it's always nice to have them on a bit of an angle. So like this one, you'd be hard pressed to get anything hanging off of it, but you can always just slide it over a bit and make one work on here too. So very simple, right?
But it's a tool that's there.
Yeah. And it's always on your cart. Like there's always a tool on your cart, you know? Me personally, it also gets this out of your vision. So it's just out of the way.
Well, plus with these little suction cups, as you know, they keep coming out all the time. There's always this sort of thing popping off.
Yeah. Safer.
Yeah.
You'd want to use something with some stout too. Like you wouldn't grab like a 1/4-inch bar and put it across. It would be bowie. Like you could get it done, but it's not smart. Use something thick and